how to create your SUI wallet, your SUI wallet. Go to your Brave browser or your Chrome wallet, and then you go to the Chrome Web Store and type SUI. And when you select the first one, the SUI wallet, and you click on it, when you click on it, it's going to take you to add to Brave or add to Chrome. Brave is like Chrome. So when you add it, you add it as an extension, because SUI wallet is a Web3 wallet, and after it has installed, it will be added to your extensions, and then you see get started. So you click on get started, and you have two options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. So right here we are going to create a new wallet instead of importing new ones, existing ones. So you put in your password. After you put in your password, you type out password that you're going to use, and the password must have 8 characters. Must have at least one number and one uppercase, and then you confirm the password by typing it out, and then you click the terms of agreement, and you click on create wallet. So you click on create wallet. After you click on create wallet, it's going to take you to a subsequent page where you need to now generate your recovery phrase. Now, because this is a decentralized wallet, you will need your recovery phrase to keep your wallet safe. So keep your recovery phrase very safe. Copy it out, write it out somewhere where nobody else can have access to it, and use it to hack an account. And then so the reason for your recovery phrase is that just in case something happens to what your device and all of that, so you just need to use your recovery phrase again. And now, instead of creating new wallets, you now import existing wallet. So here is your SUI wallet. SUI is a layer 1 protocol.